back with reinforcements. Let's cut something. Hey guys, Tyler here from Wide Open Throttle. Got the old Subaru behind me. More work to do on the WRX Death Kart, Drift Kart, whatever you want to call it. So last episode on this, we got the hood off, we had a window explode, and we got other metal out, all the trim off. So I'm going to keep cutting out the back here and get it all ready for drifting. Alright guys, here's the back that we got to get rid of. We cut out all the sheet metal. This car was actually in a previous accident. There's all that rust from it getting hit before, and it was all messed up before. And it is a rebuilt title. You can see where they have Bondo and stuff on the sides, where they Bondoed it all up from a previous accident. But all that needs to come out. Chop that out, both sides. And chop these pillars up. Leave some front sheet metal so I can bend it over and weld it. Take those out all the way. And chop out all the middle stuff, because who needs it? So, chop off all of this. Get rid of all that stuff. So we'll work on chopping her up, guys. Alright guys, just cleaning up, getting all the wiring and stuff off. I still want to keep the wiring harness so I can mess with the lights. Probably take out the assembly. Still has the release cables, which I won't need because there won't be a gas door. Take off the screws on the gas area. Try not to blow myself up or catch me on fire. Got all these little sensors out. The wire harness comes through that hole there. Pulled it all out. Got the spring off, as you saw. Got the top cover off. I'll take that bracket off and that off. Then I should be ready to cut this out right here on both sides. And then I can work on cutting out along the edge there and follow that kind of metal right there. So that's the next plan of attack. Let's cut some of the stuff. Okay, so now I'm going to cut it down here and along the bottom and around that side. Let's do this. More chopping. Well, it broke. Now I need to get some more blades. Maybe some shorter ones. Okay, we'll be back. Back with reinforcements. Let's cut something. Well, that's what's inside your rear fenders. Nothing. Oh yeah. Now we can work on cutting this thing off and follow the kind of wheel well and cut out that junk. Should be fun. Alright guys, it's getting there. A little more cut up. A little more metal gone. So I'll have to follow up, start trimming this kind of shell off on both sides. We'll leave all this and this, cut off the top of this, cut and trim this up, make it a little bit better. But then we can weld cross braces. We can bring in the loop right here, do a loop for the roll cage. We're going to take that off. So we have full pieces going across here, connect with the loop. So there it is, Drift WRX. So that bottom kind of tie rod in that adjusts the toe bent, we got to bend it back or we get a new one. I want to cut all this up along the edge here and then trim off, like I said, all that. So here we go. Yep, those are some clips of some shenanigans we've been into and what we've been working on in the shop since we are working on opening up a business. So we had to do some other things, and we took you along for the ride of what we're doing. Hoping to do some more just clips of what we do and having fun and messing around with some cars. So make sure you follow along and stay tuned to that stuff. The hood kind of just sits there. What did you do to it?
Well, I put the big strings on it to lift it, but they have a long center thing. See how far forward it is?
Yeah. So you gotta move it back.
Gotta spin it.
There you go, guys. Wide open throttle. That is us. Everything that does burnouts and have fun. It's only 9:30 at night. Just
That battery's still undone, right?
The what?
The battery is still undone, right?
Yeah. You won't shock yourself.
Well, I just put my dick down in here. I didn't want it to
Light you up.
anything.
Just doing a steering column in the middle of the night on an old Chevy square body.
Says nothing. Imagine having to hear that all night, Tyler.
That'd be so annoying. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to this episode of Wide Open Throttle Garage. Make sure you continue to like and subscribe and follow along more for the WRX Drift Kart Death Kart build. Because more is to come on the old Drift Kart. Got the front end to take off, and work on taking some more off the metal off the back and making it all get better, look better, work better, and work on getting a roll cage rolled out and welded up and ready for this thing. And then we have a motor and things we're working on sourcing out. A Chevy 350 nitrous, and we got a transmission underway to make this sucker a rear-wheel drive death cart. So make sure you continue to like us, follow us on this build, and we'll see you next time.